Are you unemployed, or do you want an extra source of income? If your answer is yes, then this opportunity I'm about to bring to your way is actually for you. I'm here to introduce to you a skill that pays you nothing less than 200k on a monthly basis. Now, wait a minute. I'm not talking about all these digital skills, affiliate marketing, e-commerce. No. I'm talking about real handwork, a skill that stays with you for life if you learn it. I'm talking about car tracker installation. Now, it will amaze you to know that people don't talk about this skill much, but yet people make a whole lot of money from it. If I have to be frank with you, I and my students have earned millions from this particular skill. And the good thing about it is that it is very, very easy to learn. When you learn it, to fix a tracker in a vehicle wouldn't take you anything more than 2 hours. And yet you are paid more than 40,000 naira to do something that doesn't take you more than 2 hours. That is quite beautiful. So right now I have put together a practical video course that teaches you practically on how to install and activate tracker in any kind of vehicle. If you want to be part of this training, go ahead and click the learn more button below. This will probably be the last time I'm going to be putting up this skill. So very soon I'm going to put down the course. So to do yourself good, go ahead and click the learn more button below so that you'll be able to be part of this particular course. 2021 is about to end. In few days time we are going to enter 2022. So you need to ask yourself, are you going to enter into 2022 without having a lucrative source of income? Of course, you know the answer to the question. So go ahead and click the link below so that you can become a part of this course.